Hey y'all, Grayson here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be tackling a couple of more containers for fall. So I did a video back in May where I spray painted these two big containers and these obelisks, and I planted them up with coleus, impatiens, and variegated ivy. So they have performed beautifully all season long until last week when Hurricane Helene came barreling through and knocked them everywhere, splayed them all over the place. And speaking of Hurricane Helene, I would just like to take this time to remember all the people that were affected by the devastation of Hurricane Helene. Our beautiful North Carolina mountains have been completely devastated, as well as Florida, Georgia, Tennessee, Kentucky, and many other states I'm sure that I'm leaving out. So we just want to remember all the people that were affected by that storm. So today I'm going to be cleaning all the coleus and impatiens out. The only thing that I'm going to leave is the variegated ivy because it is a perennial in my growing zone 8A here in North Carolina. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so everything's been cleaned out of the containers and I'm left with this variegated ivy. Now I think instead of winding this up the obelisk, I'm going to wind it around the bottom. So we're going to start with the white stacker pumpkin first. I think the variegated ivy looks great with this white pumpkin. Next, I have this beautiful blue-green pumpkin. I think this is a great color. It's gonna go right on top. Last but not least, okay, and now it's time to go ahead and get this little wall hanger cleaned out. So this was the Proven Winners Plum Dandy, and this performed well all season long until now. As you can see, it is just time to go ahead and pull these plants out. And this was a sweet potato vine that is just completely done. So let's go ahead and get these cleaned out. Okay, y'all, so now that the basket's been cleaned out, I've added some fresh soil in and we're ready to get this planted up. So I'm gonna be using these heuchera or coral bells as they're often referred to. This is in the color of lava lamp, this beautiful red. I thought would look great and pair well with these yellow bingo pansies. They'll come out of the basket this spring, or next spring I should say, and go into my landscape. Now these take part sun, so these heuchera are going to grow anywhere from 12 to 16 inches tall and anywhere from 24 to 36 inches wide. They have more of a mounding habit. So let's just go ahead and pop these right in. Go ahead and split these pansies in half. And there you have it. Here is this wall hanging basket all planted up for fall, just that easy. So again, we have the lava lamp heuchera, or coral bells as they're referred to often, and we have the yellow bingo pansies. Okay, so this is where I hang the wall basket. I think that's a beautiful mix and it turned out great. You know, this wall basket is the perfect scale on this little piece of wall. So as soon as you walk right up the front steps, the wall basket is right over in this little alcove. And I will be fertilizing this with like a liquid water-soluble fertilizer, and then that will fill in really nicely. So the next step is to get the front porch all decorated. And our friendly little scarecrow here. Poppy's little hat on there. Seems like at one point he used to have hair, but I think it's gone. Let's go ahead and cross his legs. So these are just some flower picks, and I'm just gonna pop them right down in these hay bales. I think they just kind of add a little something extra to the guy. Just adds a little bit extra color around him. So I think he needs a little friends. Okay, y'all, so here is everything finished. This is as you walk up to the front steps. So these are the containers with the stacked pumpkins in them. I did the white stacker, the blue-green one, and then the orange one. And I just pulled everything out of these containers, and I took the variegated ivy that was left in the pots and wrapped it around the pumpkins, and I think that it turned out perfect. The bliss still look nice from when I spray painted them back in the spring. It's just a nice, fresh, clean look. Here's the other one here. And then as you walk up, here's our little guy, our little scarecrow. And again, I just took a couple of the hay bales and turned them up on their end. And then I popped a few of the picks around him down into the hay and just popped little pumpkins around him on his lap. And then we've got our wall hanging basket here with our heuchera and our yellow bingo pansies. Okay, y'all, that's going to do it for today's video and project. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed it. And if so, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, as it helps me to continue to grow my channel and bring you more content like this. And as always, thank you for watching Gardening with Grayson, and I will see you in the next video.